Hello, hi students, welcome back. Today we are going to discuss Introduction to Photoshop CS3 Class 7 Lesson 7. Our next topic is
First tool is Marquee tool. Selecting an image. There are many selection tools in the Photoshop to select an image or area of an image or whole image. Let us discuss various selection tools. First one is Marquee tools. The tool is used to make selections on the image. The tool includes rectangular, elliptical, single row and single column marquees. To select an area of an image or whole image through the Marquee tool, follow the given step. First we need to open the image, right click the Marquee tool and select the palette appears. Select any one of the four Marquee tools from the Marquee palette. Drag the mouse over the selected. The image gets selected by the moving the dotted line. Now let us have a look on a small video how to use the Marquee tool. Yeah, see here after opening the Photoshop, you will create the new. Then I'm going to the place an image. I'm going to insert Apple image and drag. If you want to drag the image, if you want to adjust the image, let it be adjusted. And if you want to move, go to the corner and you can turn the image also. So and press enter or double click the mouse. See, the image will be placed. Next, how to use the selection tools. First one is Marquee tool. This first rectangle of the box, here it is there, and right click on this one and rectangular Marquee tool. See here, it will select the image in rectangular square part. See rectangle, now this is square. Next one is elliptical Marquee tool. It will select the image in elliptical position, circular elliptical. See here, it is now selected in round color shape. Next one is single row. This one, see, singly. Next one is single column. So yeah, this one is single row and single column. These are the tools of Marquee tool. Next tool is lasso tool. Lasso tool is used to select the areas on the image. However, it gives the freedom to choose the irregular shapes areas. Polylasso tool is used to select the object with lot of angles because of it draws only straight. Meanwhile, magnetic lasso tool is used to select the areas which have reasonably well defined edges. These tool consists of freehand, polygon and magnetic selection tools. Steps to given the below. Let us have a look. Right click on the lasso tool, select the sub palette tools. Select any one of the three tools from the palette. Drag the mouse over the image to get the desired selection of an image. Let us have a small look on a video how to use lasso tool. Next one is lasso tools. Lasso tool is the freehand type tool. See here, right click, I selected lasso tool. Now what I will do, see, I will draw with my own. See, only exact path what you want you can select with the lasso tool. Next one is follow lasso tool. That means first we will click on that one. Second point where you want to keep, you can keep it. And if you, this is also with freehand tools. See, freehandly you can select this one. See, next one is in this lasso tool there is a magnetic lasso. See here, if I keep one mouse pointer here, now when I move this one it will take automatically edges. Edges will be taken automatically with the magnetic lasso tool. See here, I'm just moving here, it is automatically selecting the edges. What are the edges are there, it will select the edges. See, automatically it is selecting the edges. In this way we can use this magnetic lasso tool. Next tool is magic wand tool. Magic wand tool is used to select the adjacent area of an having same color. So how to use this magic wand tool is, let us see the step. Click on the magic wand tool. The shape of the mouse changes into magic wand, and click the portion of the image that selects a adjacent area of the pixel that has same color. The particular portion of image gets selected. Let us have a look on a small video how to use magic wand tool. Our next one is magic wand tool. Magic wand tool means it will, for example, I am opening the another image. I don't want this image. Now what I will do, I will click on new, place. I am going to place a laptop, press enter key. See, magic wand tool, what it will do, if I click this part, particular part will be selected. See, only this part. See, by using this magnetic lasso tool, this will select the only automatically the part of an image, particular color of the image. By using this magic wand tool, it will automatically select the part of the image. That is called magic wand tool. Next one is quick selection tool. This tool is used for quick selection of an image. When we drag the mouse, selection automatically finds the edges of the images and expands towards them. Let us see the steps. Right click on the magic wand tool and select the quick selection tool from the list appear. Drag the mouse over the image to select it. Let us have a look on a video how to quick selection the image. There is a quick selection also there. Right click here and quick selection. What it will do, see here. Click and drag it. Hold and drag it. It will select automatically how much part you want. See here, but completely laptop it was selected. See, only that part, that much area it will select. That is called quick selection tool.
Okay students, that's all for today's class. Meet you in next class. Till then, take care and stay safe.